Once the convocation procession enters the auditorium, I shall be requesting all students and dignitaries to kindly rise. Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Bhajan Lal Ji, Chief Minister of Rajasthan is here. Honorable Guest of Honor, Justice Sandeep Mehta is here. All the photographers from the press, all media are requested to keep the passage clean for the convocation procession. Kindly stick to the aisles and your respective positions only. Kindly clear the passage for the arrival of the convocation procession. The volunteers are requested to help the guests take their respective seats, please. All are requested to keep their mobile phones silent or in switched off mode. Kindly seek the assistance of volunteers for the correct seating positions for all stakeholders, please. Kindly keep the passage clear for the arrival of the convocation procession, please. Kindly keep the passage clear for the arrival of the convocation procession, please. The graduating students, kindly occupy your respective seats, please. Graduating students are requested to look at the do's and don'ts circulated on their common groups to have an inkling with regard to the model code of conduct right now. Yes. All are requested to please come to attention and rise for the arrival of the convocation procession in the auditorium. All the honorable dignitaries and assembled guests are requested to come to attention for the national anthem. All are requested to take their respective seats, please. Honorable Vice Chancellor Madam is requested to welcome the assembled dignitaries and present a brief report on the activities of the university in the previous year.
Honorable Shri Bhajanlal Sharma ji, Chief Minister of Rajasthan and Chief Guest on this sanctimonious occasion. Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Mehta, Judge Supreme Court of India, Visitors Nominee and Guest of Honor. Honorable Mr. Justice M.M. Srivastava ji, Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court and Chancellor of National Law University, Jodhpur. Honorable Shri Jogaram Patel ji, Cabinet Minister of Law and Legal Affairs, Government of Rajasthan. Sitting and former Honorable Judges of High Courts, Honorable members of the General Council, Executive Council, Academic Council, Finance Committee and Advisory Board, faculty members, registrar and the staff, esteemed parents, proud recipients of degrees and medals, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It is my prerogative to offer a warm welcome to our distinguished guest on the 17th Convocation of National Law University, Jodhpur. In this convocation, degrees will be conferred on the students who have successfully cleared their respective examination in the year 2024, with 116 students in the undergraduate program, 56 students in the postgraduate program, along with 9 in the doctoral program. Before I commence the report highlighting the notable events and attainments of the university in the previous calendar year, it is my honor and privilege to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Shri Bhajanlal Sharma ji, whose distinguished presence here enhances the luminosity of this resplendent occasion. Honorable Chief Minister is a luminary in Indian politics, noted for his pragmatic leadership and deep-seated values rooted in Indian cultural nationalism. His journey from a local community leader to the highest officer in the state of Rajasthan is a testament to his unswerving dedication, strategic foresight, and unwavering commitment to public welfare. Honorable Chief Minister's presence here today is gratifying for our graduating students who are set to gain from his astute guidance for formulation of their professional pathway. Our sincere thanks to you, sir, for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest of this occasion and for kindly agreeing to address our students. I extend a warm welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Mehta, Judge Supreme Court of India, as the guest of honor on this momentous occasion. His journey through the legal system from the bar to the bench has been marked by depth, wisdom, and versatility. We gratefully acknowledge your generosity, sir, in accepting our invitation to deliver the convocation address. I am pleased to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice M.M. Srivastava, Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court and Chancellor of National Law University, Jodhpur, who has kindly consented to preside over the 17th convocation of the university. The esteemed Chancellor has been a steadfast pillar of support guiding our university's holistic development through astute leadership and unwavering commitment. On behalf of the university, I also accord a cordial welcome to Honorable Shri Jogaram Patel ji, Cabinet Minister for Law and Legal Affairs, as the guest of honor on this consequential occasion. Sir has had deep insight into the functioning of the sphere of legal education as a student, as a practitioner, with a remarkable breadth of experience in understanding the nuances of the legal profession. We thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion with your luminous presence. It is my pleasure to welcome Honorable Dr. Justice Pushpendra Singh Bhati, Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Mehta, and other honorable judges, present and past, members of the statutory bodies of the university, and other distinguished guests who are gracing the occasion. I would like to commence by highlighting that at the time of my donning the mantle of guiding this university, recruitment and regularization was one of the biggest challenges. And I am happy to share that with the August Assembly that we were successfully able to complete the process of recruitment of our faculty members in the calendar year 2024, with appointments of 1 professor, 8 associate professors, 28 assistant professors. Likewise, regularization was also completed for the office management staff and the support services staff. Since the all-round health and welfare of our employees is a topmost priority, we have made provision to get our faculty and support service staff enrolled under the Rajasthan government health scheme. Let me assure you that a commitment to all-round welfare and advancement is the motivating spirit behind all our interventions, as I shall further recount in this report. I stand before you all at a very critical and promising juncture in the life of this university as we enter the threshold of our 25th year of existence. Seated before me and beside me are the multifarious stakeholders of the institution, including students, faculty members, staff members, members of the bar and the bench, and civil society stakeholders who all have a monumental role to play in how the odyssey of this institution will be charted. Let me address the interventions made by the institution for each of these stakeholders, starting foremost with the initiatives with academic advancements. With the batch of 2024, we have commenced with a new course scheme for undergraduate program, which is in consonance with the Bar Council of India mandate, the requirements of National Higher Education Qualification Framework under UGC, the report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Legal Education, the guidelines for the new education policy, the framework of choice-based credit system, and permits the students to study and explore up to 100 subjects in the journey of 5 years of their study, including many specializations in the upcoming spheres of law. The same interventions have also been made in LLM program with our currently operational LLM in corporate law and in IPR law. We are introducing 2 new specializations, that is LLM in comparative public law and LLM in international law from the academic year 2025-26 onwards. New interventions in the versicolored domain of academics has also been hallmark of the institutional functioning. We have applied to the Bar Council of India for additional 60 seats in BA LLB program, increased our LLM seats to 80 seats, and announced a 1-year PG program in the insurance risk management for engineering graduates. We have launched 5 short-term online certificate courses of 3 months duration. Example can be artificial intelligence, law and ethics, general liability and cybercrime insurance, law of standards, substantial patents, general emotional intelligence for conflict and negotiation, and public policy analysis and strategies. The focus is not just on spreading our range and specialization, but also ensuring that there is a streamlining of all the processes for a seamless experience sojourning through the institution. Accordingly, we have established structured units of academic administration, including the offices of Dean Academics, Dean IQAC, Dean Student Welfare, Dean ODL programs, Assistant Deans, UG Council, CPGLS and PhD program. I should also like to mention that we have initiated a policy for promotion of research through research seed funding initiative and a research incentive scheme for all faculty publications to ease out the financial impediments towards the progression of their research. We have meticulously planned on improving the research output of our faculty by organizing faculty development programs regularly. We are also cognizant of the future requirements of academia in the light of emerging technologies like usage of artificial intelligence in teaching, and we have planned a 30-hour FDP, faculty development program for faculty training in the calendar year 2025. The faculty members have also responded to the interventions related to research and academic advancements with reciprocal notable achievements. Dr. Bipin Kumar has been granted a research project for comprehensive assessment of existing measures at state local levels in affecting trade in services by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry for rupees 2453 lakhs. And Ms. Preeti Badola was granted 4.3 lakh under Swabhiman project, an initiative of UNFPA for involving drafting the standard operating protocols on multi-sectoral coordinated response mechanisms to address gender-based violence and harmful practices in the state of Rajasthan. Synchronously, we have also developed policy perspectives with Mr. Ranjit Thomas submitting a report on Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, a critical perspective to the Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India. We have worked on multiple fronts to make the academic experience of students superlative in its range and depth. On the front of enhancement of co-curricular, extracurricular, and lifestyle choices for our students, multiple welfare-oriented interventions have included setting up a student welfare board and appointment of a full-time counselor to aid and assist the students in tackling any issues arising from the academic rigor. Phase-wise, a revamp of the entire infrastructure of the university is being carried out. We have completed the installation 24/7 Wi-Fi facility in the halls of residence. Refurbishment of the university gymnasium is complete. Access to the world's best legal and knowledge databases is available at the fingertips, and we are inaugurating our 2 new e-mote codes today. We have accommodated gender diversity through the establishment of Pride Society, framed rules for recognizing the rights of transgender persons, launched Sarang, the Music Society. Here I am recounting only some of the manifold interventions which have all been rolled out after careful planning and far-sighted institution building. A common area where the interests of multiple stakeholders, that is students and faculty, interact are collaborations and agreements signed by the university. In the calendar year 2024, the university signed collaborative national agreements with Arid Forest Research Institute, Jodhpur, with Internal Security Academy, CRPF, Mount Abu, with Public Financial Management and Training Institute, Government of Rajasthan, and with General Councils Association of India. Internationally, we have signed MOUs with King's College, London, with Attorney General's Chambers, Zanzibar, with the School of Law and Social Justice, University of Liverpool, with International Institute of Water Asia Chapter, and with University of Sydney, Australia. These agreements have the potential to metamorphose the professional journey of both students and faculty members. We have onboarded Professor Umakant Verotil from National University of Singapore, Professor Bruce Wardo from Durham Law School, UK, Professor Denixia Kovas from Miami-Dade College, USA, Professor Jason Harris from University of Sydney, who shall be invaluable assets for the university in its quest for expansion and academic excellence. Along with that, we have initiated a policy for inviting external experts and faculty members to offer optional courses. Another arena where students and faculty members converge along with roping in expertise from the external world for all-round knowledge enhancement is the organization of seminars, conferences, webinars, certificate courses, and competitions. In the calendar year 2024, we organized the fixture events on our academic calendar: 2nd LNN OVRI NLUJ International Deal Negotiation Competition, 15th NLUJ Antitrust Law Moot Court Competition, 8th Cartel Conference, 2nd Conclave on Baba Saheb Ambedkar and his legacy, 3rd edition on National Seminar on Constitutional in Contemporary Times, 2nd NLUJ Indus Law Corporate Law Review Summit, and 7th edition of NH65. A conference commemorating 75 years of Supreme Court was organized. An online panel discussion on breaking barriers, women redefining finance, organized by the Daughters of Themis India chapter, a national workshop on emerging challenges in law and technology, and NLUJ alumni meet in 2024. All of the above mentioned events were wide in their scope and thorough in their execution. We also organize specialized certificate and credit courses while widening the ambit of our expertise. As specified earlier, NLU Jodhpur is completely committed to widening the scope of its functioning and dispersing its expertise to all true seekers of knowledge. In furtherance of this object, specialized training programs are conducted at the university with multifarious stakeholders. In the year 2024, we organized trainings for district and state consumer protection commission members, and under the aegis of our collaborative partner, Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation on Criminal Law and Forensic Sciences for attorneys for Office of Attorney General Nepal, and on Contract Management and Negotiation Skills for attorneys from the Office of Attorney General Tanzania. Internally, we organize sensitization programs on mental health, prevention of sexual harassment, and awareness sessions on child marriage and queerness, human rights, and law. Our student societies have also been actively engaging in organizing domain-specific discussions by the Corporate Law Society, the Constitutional Law Society, and the Recruitment Internship Committee. Most notably, Constitutional Law Society hosted the legal luminary and our distinguished professor Upendra Bakshi on the topic, is there any such thing on the evasive jurisprudence of constitutional interpretation? An extremely notable instance of our student-driven philanthropy is the Legal Aid and Awareness Committee, LAC, which has spearheaded multi-pronged development in various spheres of development. In furtherance of the objective of general social upliftment and societal upliftment, LAC participated in the first Asia Pro Bono Roundtable in 2024, organized a lecture by Professor Davis Tushas on gross national happiness, climate justice and challenges ahead, perspectives from the Kingdom of Bhutan, hosted the Stakeholder Summit on Transgender Rights, participated in the Access to Justice Exchange and PIL Net Global Forum of Malaysia, conducted Darpan Samvad, an interview series and Akashvani podcast on sexual violence against women and cyber crimes. We are also happy to share that LAC has received the 4th National Legal Award 2024 for legal aid and social justice activities. The award was presented at the 13th International Conference on Human Rights and Gender Justice. The calendar year of 2024 was one marked with a silver lining in the sphere of moot court attainments of our talented students. I am happy to share that our team comprising Ananya Deshpande, Ananya Jaria, Disha Gandhi, Kavya Gupta and Samiksha Lohia emerged as the winners at the 21st William C. Wiz East International Commercial Arbitration Moot Court Competition 2024. Other notable moot court accomplishments include emerging as runners-up at the 16th Frankfurt Investment Arbitration Moot 2024 and the Indian National Rounds of 23rd ICRC Henry Durant International Memorial Moot Court Competition. In national moot court competitions also, our teams emerged as winners at the 3rd Nalsar CCI Antitrust Moot Court Competition, 9th NLIU Justice R.K. Tankha Memorial International Arbitration Moot, the 4th A.T. Marcos Memorial Technology Law Moot Court Competition, and 9th Symbiosis Law School Pune International Criminal Advocacy Competition 2024. In international alternative dispute resolution competitions, our teams emerged as the top 5 teams in the 6th Ad Hoc International Negotiation Competition 2024. In national ADR competitions, our team emerged as runners-up at the 5th NLIU CAM International Negotiation Competition 2024. Our graduating batch of 2024, seated before me here, has brought laurels through plum placements, and the day zero for batch 2025 has also brought cheer to the campus. Our alumni continue to prove their mettle in judicial services examination. 10 alumni from our university cleared the Rajasthan Judicial Services examination in 2024. Additionally, 2 alumni excelled by clearing Haryana Judicial Services examination in 2024. Ms. Tanya Agarwal from the batch 2015 has secured the first position in Advocates on Record examination 2024. Not only does the academic innovation capture our interest, but we are also equally committed to having policies for recognizing our students and employees. In the calendar year 2024, we have rolled out Students Award policy for extracurricular and co-curricular attainments, awards to outstanding employees, and awards policy for wards and spouses of employees also. For long, NLU Jodhpur has remained in the shadows. It is time to step into the light. Our vision is clear. When legal education, research and innovation is discussed in Rajasthan, NLU Jodhpur must be the first name that comes to the mind for delivering quality legal education, producing impactful research and making meaningful policy contributions. Our commitment extends beyond classrooms. We aim to influence legal discourse, drive policy reforms, and produce professionals who lead with vision, expertise, and integrity. We aim to be the first and foremost choice for students aspiring to study law, offering not just a degree, but a transformative legal education that equips them with critical thinking, practical skills, and global perspectives. Our focus is on academic excellence, cutting-edge research, and industry-ready training, ensuring that NLU Jodhpur produces graduates who lead in thought, action, and impact. This year, NLU Jodhpur took important steps to establish itself as a leader in legal education. one that not only imparts knowledge but also shapes the future of law and policy. Through the recently held Vice Chancellor's Conclave, which brought together for the first time 22 NLU Vice Chancellors, we enabled a platform for deliberations on the future of legal education in India. Their insights are published in a special edition of NLU Jodhpur Law Review, which would be released today. We are also delighted to report that our proposal to institutionalize this annual conclave was unanimously accepted by the Vice Chancellors. Beyond academics, NLU Jodhpur is deeply committed to social responsibility. We consider our members as family and their welfare remains our highest priority. In that spirit, we have launched several skill enhancement programs for our staff, including literacy initiatives for our support staff and specialized skill development programs for women, including the spouses of NLU Jodhpur staff. Through these initiatives, we have empowered women, equipping them with skills in block printing, organic soap manufacturing, and gift wrapping. I am pleased to share that their handcrafted products are showcased at a dedicated stall today, reflecting their hard work and newfound enthusiasm through the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship for Women at NLU Jodhpur. I am happy to announce that despite our limited resources, we have also extended similar support to women in our adopted village Surpura, reinforcing our commitment to inclusive growth and empowerment. Our commitment to internationalization is strong. In the past, we hosted numerous delegations in the process of signing MOUs with international universities and expanded our PhD seats for foreign nationals. To support this initiative and vision, we will be engaging with ICCR and Study in India program, a Government of India initiative to attract international students. We have also collaborated with Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India under their Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Program to train law officers and attorneys from across the globe. Most recently, we concluded a training program for law officers from the Attorney General's Office of Nepal. NLU Jodhpur is making concerted efforts to position itself at the forefront of discussions on law and technology. In line with this vision, we are launching new academic programs at the intersection of law and technology, and also establishing a law and technology hub to equip legal professionals for AI regulation and emerging challenges. Our goal is clear. NLU Jodhpur will be a center of excellence for innovation, entrepreneurship, and sustainability, recognized as a leading legal incubation hub in India. Honorable Chief Minister, sir, your visionary leadership in social development, environmental sustainability, and Apno Agrani Rajasthan inspires and aligns with our vision at NLU Jodhpur. With bright and driven minds that you see in front of you today, sir, we are uniquely positioned to contribute meaningfully to these efforts. Our road ahead will require relentless effort, unwavering dedication, and unyielding commitment to the transformation. And with the blessing of this august gathering here, I am determined to lead this change with the conviction and drive. With those words, let me once again extend my heartfelt gratitude to this esteemed gathering, and especially to our distinguished guests for gracing us with their presence. After this buoyant narrative on the activities and potential of the university, I shall end my discourse on a reflective note for the graduating students. No attainment is excellent till it has a surrounding eco-structure of all-round welfare, empathy, and utmost commitment to universal well-being as its course. Probably the best key word to talk about this is the Gandhian concept of Sarvodaya, meaning the rise and progression of all. The idea is well encapsulated in a Gandhian quote: "Man becomes great exactly in the degree in which he works for the welfare of his fellow men," unquote. Dear students, pursue excellence as you have been trained, well trained, to do during your academic and professional training here. But make sure that no creature of nature is trampled upon in your quest for excellence. On the contrary, you should quest for what you can do for the general overall upliftment of this world. And here, even the smallest gesture counts. In the words of motivational speaker Leo Buscaglia, I quote, "Too often we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn a life around, unquote. Congratulations once again. My ardent blessings. Apno ghano ghano laad aur ashirwad. Jai Hind. Honorable Chancellor, I have the honor to request you, sir, to declare the convocation open.
The Registrar of National Law University Jodhpur is requested to commence the procedure for the conferment of degrees to the graduating students of 2024.
Honorable Chancellor, I have the honor to request you, sir, to administer the oath to the graduating candidates. All the graduating candidates shall stand forward. Sir, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degree of BBA LLB Honours. They have been found qualified for the degree of BBA LLB Honours for the year 2024, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree of BBA LLB Honours in person will please stand forward. Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to request you, sir, to present the degree of BBA LLB Honours to the candidates. Amal Riaz. Preksha Divakar. Arju Gang. You have to do. Amal Riaz. Preksha Divakar. Arju Gang. Bhanu Jindal. Bhavya Kansara. Hiba Mohsin. Yeah. Janvi Jaju. कार्तिक थोलिया, महक सिंगल, नैवेद्या काला, नंदना सुजाता, नव्या भंडारी, नव्या शर्मा, निधि लखोटिया, निखिल सुराना, पार्थ गोयल, प्रचेत शर्मा, प्रतीक सिंह, राजीव सिंह, रिया मेहता, ऋषभ जैन, ऋषभ पेरीवाल, सर्वज्ञ वर्मा, शाश्वत नियमानी, विधि दामनी, विशाल बैंक, याजूर लात, The students who are receiving their degree in absentia are Gauri, Shri Kumar and Richik Dadish. Sir, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degree of BA LLB Honours. They have been found qualified for the degree of BA LLB Honours for the year 2024, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree of BA LLB Honours in person will please stand forward. Honorable Guest of Honor, Justice Sandeep Mehta, I have the honor to request you, sir, to present the degree of BA LLB to the candidates. तन्मय अवस्थी, आदित्य साही, आस्था गुशिंगा, आयुष लड्डा, अभिज्ञ सिंह, अभिनव, आदित्य महेश्वरी, अक्षिता सक्सेना, अनन्या अवस्थी, अनिरुद्ध सप्रे, अंशुल वशिष्ठ, अंशुपाल सिंह, आराध्या दीक्षित, अशोक सागर, अवनी कुमार श्रीवास्तव, चारू शर्मा, दक्षा बैरवा, दीपिका धावनिया, दीप्तम भदूरिया, दिशा डी रश्मि, देवेश्री शेखावत, दिशा करमचंदानी, दिव्या पांडे, दिव्या शर्मा, फाल्गुनी शर्मा, गरिमा चौहान, हर्ष बिश्नोई, हर्षदीप डायल, हिमांशु रंजन, जानवी श्रीवास्तव, जतिन कैरला, करुणाकर, खुशी अग्रवाल, कीर्ति हरित, लोकेश बिश्नोई, माधव दीपक, मैत्रेय सिंह, मोहम्मद उमर उस्मानी, मोनिश कुमार पटवा, नंदनी कौशिक, निशांत कुमार, निवेदिता शर्मा, ओजस्व चित्रांशी, पलक द्विवेदी, पलक झालानी, प्रतीक शर्मा, प्रथम पी मोहंती, राघव शर्मा, राहुल लाल, रश्मिन कंसल, रिया अजय चौधरी, ऋतिक कनौजिया, ऋत्विक गुप्ता, सक्षम दुबे, साक्षी त्रिपाठी,
साहब का नाम है ना, तो चीफ जस्टिस बैठ देना, उनके बाद में साहब का नाम है इसका।
समर्थ अग्रवाल, सारांश खंडेलवाल, शैली मीना, शारिया सोहिब, शिवम जैन, शिवांगी पालीवाल, श्रेया कोटनिस, शुक्ति सिन्हा, सिद्धांत शर्मा, सृजेश कुमार सिंह, सुखवीर सिंह, सूर्य प्रताप सिंह, तमन्ना मेहता, तानी अग्रवाल, तरुण कटारिया, तिशा गुप्ता, उद्यान द्विवेदी, उज्जवल मीना, उत्कर्ष दुबे, वरुण शेखर सावंत, याशवी होरा, विष्णु एम, यशवी होरा,
जस्टिस साहब बैठ जाना, फिर अनाउंस होना साहब।
अभी टाइम। The students who are receiving their degree in absentia are Ankit Aryapadya, Mansi Tiwari, Punit Kumar, Ritik Tyagi, Yaksh Pakhan. Sir, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degree of LLM and MBA Insurance. They have been found qualified for the degree of LLM and MBA Insurance for the year 2024, to which I pray they may be admitted.
इसके बाद साहब बता देना, मेरे को सर।
Honorable Chief Guest, I have the honor to request you, sir, to present the degree of LLM and MBA Insurance to the candidates. LLM Corporate Law. अभिषेक टंडन, आदित्य बहेती, अमन करण, अंकिता स्नेह कश्यप, अंशिका गौड़, आरुषि अग्रवाल, आयशा तोमर, बनोद हरिकृष्ण, धैर्या मित्तल, गरिमा सिंह, महेश्वरी नलिनी, मनीषा, मयंक यादव, मोनिका प्रजापत, निधि पांडे, रश्मि कुमारी, संगीत राज, शिखर गोयल, श्रद्धा एसएस, सुपक मेहता, स्वप्नम प्रकाश सिंह, ए नवीन, आकृति बंसल, अमीरा लाले पुई मार, अनुज शुक्ला, छवि सोमपुरा, धर्मनिष्ठ शांडिल्य, गोविंद गहलोत, गुरनूर सिंह चोपड़ा, के अंतिका राव, पल्लव सर्वेश्वर सिन्हा, संयुक्ता मेनन, सपना, शौर्यदेव सिंह, शिखर श्रीवास्तव, सुहानी अग्रवाल, उत्कर्ष गुप्ता, MBA इंश्योरेंस, अक्षय शर्मा, अक्षिता जैन, Deepika Pania. Wait. Komal Purohit. Mayank Trivedi. Mohit Jangir. Nirmal Sakla. Rashmi Singh. Saurabh Oswal. Vinita Fofalia. The students who are receiving their degree in absentia are Krishnakant Patre, Saurav Kumar, Hussain Hamza Jaki and Yash Arora. Sir, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degree of PhD. They have been found qualified for the degree of PhD, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree of PhD in person will please stand forward. Akansha Kumar. Vinny Singh. Akriti Gupta. Anuja Mishra. Arunabha Banerjee. Hema K. Rafiq Khan. Siddharth Balani. Ranjit Thomas. I request VC ma'am to kindly give the degree of MS Garima Singh since she is unable to attend the stage. Ms. Garima Singh has a fracture. VC ma'am will go to give his degree at the end of LLM and MBA.
एक मिनट कुछ है भाई. एक मिनट रुक जाइए. The registrar is requested to commence the procedure for the award of gold medals to the meritorious students of 2024.
Honorable guests, I have the honor to request you, sir, to give away the gold medals to students who have displayed academic excellence during their tenure in the university.
Mr. Himanshu Ranjan, please come forward.
Trilok Chand Manghilal Sancheti Gold Medal awarded to Mr. Himanshu Ranjan for securing highest CGPA amongst the students of BA LLB Honours. Late Professor Y.K. Tiwari Memorial Gold Medal awarded to Mr. Himanshu Ranjan for securing highest marks in 5 specified subjects collectively named Family Law 1, 2, Labour Law 1 and 2, Constitutional Governance 1st and 2nd, Jurisprudence 1st and 2nd, and Legal Method and Legal System in undergraduate studies of law. Professor Vedantam Shastri Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in 4 specified subjects of law, collectively namely Legal Method and Legal System, Jurisprudence 1st, 2nd, and International Humanity in Refugee Law awarded to Mr. Himanshu Ranjan. Sampath Raj Bhandari Gold Medal awarded to Ms. Navya Bhandari for securing highest CGPA amongst the students of BBA LLB Honours. Late Pranita Mehta Gold Medal awarded to Ms. Navya Bhandari for securing highest CGPA amongst the students of BBA LLB Honours. Late Gopalmal Mehta Memorial Gold Medal awarded to Ms. Navya Bhandari for securing highest CGPA amongst all the students of LLB Honours. Mathur Amar Lakshmi Gold Medal and cash award of rate 5,000 awarded to Ms. Navya Bhandari for securing highest CGPA amongst the students of all the streams of LLB Honours. Justice Chandmal Loda Memorial Gold Medal awarded to Ms. Navya Bhandari for securing the highest CGPA amongst the students of all the streams of LLB Honours. Dr. Ranjana M. Messi Memorial Gold Medal awarded to Ms. Navya Bhandari for being the lady students securing highest CGPA in the undergraduate studies of law. Milind Kumar Banerjee Gold Medal awarded to Navya Bhandari for securing highest CGPA amongst the students of trade law honor in LLB. Late Nani Bala Mitra Gold Medal awarded to Ms. Nandini Kaushik for being the best lady student of the undergraduate batch. Late Sunil Kumar Saha and Kumkum Saha Gold Medal for excellence in mooting awarded to MS Yashashvi Hora. Late Pranita Mehta Gold Medal for the second Best Mooter awarded to Miss Ananya Avasthi. Late Srimati Tara Messi Memorial Gold Medal awarded to Mr. Sarjesh Kumar Singh for securing highest marks in Administrative Law in LLB. Lakshmi Devi Narsingh Das Mundra Gold Medal for securing highest CGP amongst the students of IPR Honours in LLB awarded to Ms. Faguni Sharma. Lakshmi Rama Shankar Pradhan Gold Medal awarded jointly to Mr. Himanshu Ranjan and Ms. Khushi Agrawal for securing the highest marks in 3 subjects collectively, namely Family Law, First, Second and Property Law in undergraduate studies of law. Late Sushila Kumari Gold Medal awarded to Ms. Deepika Dhavania for securing highest CGPA in LLB amongst lady students from Reserve Quota. Sudha Jagdish Chandra and Mundra Gold Medal awarded to Mr. Aditya Baheti for securing highest CGPA amongst the students of LLM Corporate Law. Shrimati Vandana Devendra Mehta Gold Medal awarded to Ms. K. Ankita Rao, highest CGP amongst the students of LLM IPR Law. Nani Ek Palkiwala Memorial Gold Medal awarded to Ms. K. Ankita Rao for securing highest CGP amongst the students of all the stream of LLM. Late Justice Shri Krishnamal Loda Gold Medal awarded to Ms. K. Ankita Rao for securing highest CGP amongst the lady students of LLM. Srimati Pushap Kaur Nemichand Dhakalia Gold Medal awarded to Ms. Rashmi Singh for securing highest CGP amongst the students of MBA Insurance. I now request Madam Vice Chancellor to give away the Vice Chancellor Gold Medal for the best all-rounder in boys and girls.
So Vice Chancellor's Gold Medal is awarded to Ojas Chitranshi. Ojas Chitranshi. Vice Chancellor's Gold Medal is awarded to Ms. Vidhi Damani for the best all-rounder among girls.
आर्टिकल में यही समझ
Miss Vidhi Damani is requested to come to stage to collect her gold medal. The registrar is now requested to place the record of degrees before Honorable Chancellor for his signature. All the dignitaries are requested to take their place on the dais.
Honorable guest of honor, I have the honor to request you, sir, to deliver the convocation address.
A very warm good morning to all. Shri Bhajanlalji Sharma Sahab, Honorable the Chief Minister of the state of Rajasthan. Incidentally, I'd like to share that he is the first Chief Minister ever to have graced the convocation ceremony of the National Law University. I'll request the House to give a warm applause to Honorable Shri Sharma Sahab for having graced this occasion. Shri Justice M.M. Srivastav, Chancellor of the National Law University and Honorable Chief Justice of the Rajasthan High Court. Shri Jogaramji Patel, Minister of Law and Legal Affairs, Rajasthan. Brothers Justice P.S. Bhati, Justice Dinesh Mehta, Justice Manoj Garg, Justice Kuldeep Mathur, Dr. Harpreet Kaur, Vice Chancellor of the National Law University, Jodhpur, Justice Ajay Rastogi, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Advocate General Shri Rajendra Prasad ji, distinguished guests, respected faculty, proud parents, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2025. It's indeed an honor and a profound privilege to stand before you today at the 17th Convocation ceremony of the National Law University, Jodhpur. As I look out at this sea of bright, eager faces, I am filled with hope and optimism for our nation's future. Today marks not just the culmination of your academic journey, but also the beginning of your role as torchbearers of justice in our society. Before I proceed further, I must express my profound gratitude and recognition to Professor Dr. N.L. Mitra, the founding Vice Chancellor of this prestigious institution. Professor Mitra's visionary leadership and unwavering commitment have been instrumental in establishing and nurturing this center of legal excellence. The strong foundation he laid continues to bear fruit, as evidenced by the exceptional legal minds this university has produced over the years. I would also like to commend Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Harpreet Kaur, whose dynamic leadership has carried forward this legacy of excellence. Together with the dedicated faculty members and the bright students, she has upheld the university's prestigious motto, Knowledge is empowerment, not just as words, but as a living principle that guides this institution's journey. Dear graduating students, as I look at your eager faces today, I am reminded that these halls where you studied for 5 years represent far more than mere brick and mortar. Each one of you seated here today represents more than just an individual achievement. You embody potential, dreams carefully nurtured, challenges overcome, and aspirations waiting to take flight. Your journey through this institution has been more than just an academic pursuit. These years must have been a remarkable odyssey of self-discovery. The friendships forged in these halls, the late-night discussions for moot court competitions, the collaborative projects at the institutional center and legal aid clinic, the shared moments of triumph and vulnerability. These are the real treasures that you will carry forward. These experiences must have shaped not only your legal acumen, but also molded your character and worldview. As I stand before you, I am reminded of my own convocation day, which was filled with similar dreams and aspirations. The legal profession you are about to enter is not merely a career. It's a sacred duty to uphold the principles of justice, equality, and the rule of law that form the bedrock of our democracy. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once beautifully said, dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. These words resonate deeply with the legal profession where passion and purpose intertwine. Never give up your dreams and aspirations, for they are the driving forces that will propel you to greater heights and make your life truly purposeful. In 4 lines, the great American writer Langston Hughes captured the essence of dreams, and I quote, "Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren world, a barren field frozen with snow." Unquote. Looking at this graduating class, I see a tapestry of diverse dreams and ambitions. Some of you will don the black robes and step into the courtrooms, carrying forward the noble tradition of advocacy. Others will navigate the complex world of corporate law, shaping business transactions and international commerce. Many amongst you aspire to join the judiciary, carrying the weighty responsibility of dispensing justice. Some of you will choose the path of public service, working to strengthen our democratic institutions and craft policies that will serve our nation's interests. Still others will find their calling in academia, nurturing the next generation of legal minds and contributing to legal scholarship. And some will pursue further studies, seeking specialized knowledge in emerging areas of law through integrated courses and advanced degrees. Each one of these paths is equally valuable and vital to the fabric of our legal system. Your diverse aspirations reflect the multifaceted nature of law itself, a discipline that touches every aspect of human life and society. Whatever path you choose, remember that excellence and integrity should be your constant companions. In the words of Robert Bolt, English playwright and screenwriter, the law is not a light for you or any man to see by. The law is not an instrument of any kind. The law is a causeway upon which, so long as he keeps it to a citizen, may walk safely. Dear students, you all graduated at a crucial juncture in our nation's history. India is just not the world's largest democracy. It is now a leading global power with unprecedented economic and technological advancement. This process brings with it new legal challenges, including data privacy, environmental protection, intellectual property rights, and international trade law. This generation of legal professionals will be at the forefront of addressing these challenges. As you step out of these hallowed halls, remember that your relationship with the NLU Jodhpur just doesn't end here. You join a distinguished alumni network that has made significant contributions across the legal spectrum in litigation, judiciary, corporate law, public service, and academia. Carry forward this legacy with pride and responsibility. Dear graduates, I must speak candidly about an inevitable aspect of your professional journey, fear and failure. In litigation, you will face judges who reject your arguments, clients who choose a different counsel, and cases that seem unwinnable. In the corporate realm, you will encounter failed negotiations, contracts that unravel, and strategies that do not yield the anticipated results. In academia, you will experience rejected manuscripts, research challenges, and moments when your ideas face intense scrutiny or indifference. These experiences are not anomalies. They are integral threads in the fabric of a legal career. What defines your professional journey is not the challenge of such failures, but your response to them. I have witnessed firsthand how setbacks can either distinguish potential or ignite greatness. Some of our finest jurists have argued cases that seemed impossible, faced humbling defeats, and yet persevered to later shape the course of legal history. Remember that every landmark judgment was preceded by countless hours of preparation, often following a series of disappointments. It is after weathering these storms, sometimes days, months, or years of persistent effort despite failure, that your true character and capability will emerge. The resilience you cultivate now will become your most valuable asset. When faced with a challenged petition, a rejected proposal, or a scholarly criticism, resist the temptation to retort. Instead, analyze the situation dispassionately, refine your approach, and recommit to your purpose with renewed vigor. This capacity to rise, not just once, but repeatedly, will distinguish you in the profession. Your future clients, colleagues, and communities will depend not just on your legal expertise, but on your unwavering determination to stand firm in the face of adversity. This resilience, more than any single virtue, will become your legacy. On this note, I would like to quote two excerpts from a poem, Don't Quit, by Edgar A. Guest. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low but the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when the care is pressing down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. You can never tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems far. So stick to the fight when you are hit hardest. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit. As you step out of these university corridors, you will encounter numerous firsts that will shape your professional identity and remain etched in your memory throughout your life. Your first appearance order, when you stand before the court representing a client, your heart pounding beneath your black robe. This moment will crystallize years of preparation into a single transformative experience. Your first argument, when you find your voice and articulate legal principles to advocate for justice, that will reveal capabilities within yourself that perhaps even you did not fully recognize. Your first decree or judgment in your favor that will affirm your path, while your first rejection, whether of a bail application, a suit you filed with conviction, or a legal theory you passionately believed in, will test your resolve in the ways a classroom could never do. These milestones extend beyond the courtroom. Your first salary, regardless of the amount, that would represent not merely a financial compensation, but recognition of your professional worth. Your first client who places their trust in you. Your first negotiation where you secure favorable terms. Your first piece of legislation or policy you help craft. Each represents the building block in the edifice of your career. I'd like to share that the first 500 rupees note which I received way back in the year 1992, I still keep it as a cherished memento. These moments, both triumphant and challenging, will collectively form the foundation upon which you construct your professional identity. Remember, dear friends, these firsts are not merely personal achievements, but carry profound responsibility. Behind your first bail argument stands a person whose liberty hangs in the balance. Behind your first contract negotiation lies the future of businesses and livelihoods. Behind your first research publication are ideas that may shape legal thought for generation. Approach each first not just as a personal milestone, but as an opportunity to uphold the highest ideals of this noble professional. Years from now, when you look back on these initial steps, you will realize that they were not just beginnings, but defining moments that reveal your character, competence, and commitment to justice. Your professional and personal growth will not be measured by the absence of failures, but by your ability to learn, adapt, and rise after each fall. To the graduating class, I offered 3 pieces of personal advice. First, never lose sight of the human element in law. Behind every case file is a human story, a quest for justice. Your technical expertise must always be balanced with empathy and understanding. Second, maintain the highest standards of integrity. The legal profession is built on trust. Your reputation for honesty and ethical conduct will be your most valuable asset. Third, remember your social responsibility. The knowledge and skills you have acquired at this prestigious institution come with an obligation to serve the society, particularly the most vulnerable members. Pro bono work should not be an afterthought, but an integral part of your practice. Embrace uncertainty, welcome challenges, transfer obstacles into stepping stones. Remember, the most interesting chapters of your life will be written not in the moments of guaranteed success, but in those uncertain spaces where you dare to try, where you choose courage over comfort, where you transform setbacks into setups for remarkable comebacks. Further, I recommend every student of law to read the memoirs of the legendary personalities of our legal fraternity. These accounts offer invaluable insights into their struggles, triumphs, and the wisdom they accumulated throughout their distinguished careers. I particularly recommend Before Memory Fades, an autobiography by late jurist Falias Nariman, which provides a fascinating glimpse into the life of one of India's most celebrated constitutional lawyers. Neither Roses Nor Thorns by Ram Jethmalani reveals the complexities of the high-profile litigation and the moral dilemmas faced by the advocates. Off the Bench by Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer beautifully illustrates the evolution of Indian jurisprudence through the eyes of a visionary judge. Roses in December, an autobiography by Justice M.C. Chagla, offers profound perspectives on legal ethics and public service. For those interested in the intersection of law and politics, My Life, Law and Other Challenges by M.C. Setalwad provides invaluable context. Lastly, Nani Palkhiwala, The Courtroom Genius by Soli J. Sarabji and Arvind P. Datar, though not a memoir, offers intimate portraits of one of India's greatest advocates. These books will not only enrich your understanding of law, but also inspire you through the journeys of those who faced and overcame the same challenges you will encounter. Before I conclude, I would like to share a beautiful story which will prepare you for your future challenges where you will face frustrations, rejection, you will feel dejected. But dear friends, keep this story in mind. It will teach you the art of living. The story goes like this. Today was just like any routine day that I had been living for the past few years. After finishing my lecture, I would pass the same road daily around 5 in the evening. I would have to pass through a big construction site. At that time, I would watch some children of the laborers playing merrily. Most times, they would play as if they were a train with many bogies. One child would be the engine and the rest would run behind, chugging, holding on to the shirts of the child in front. All would want to be the engine, so they would take turns. But there was one exception, a sweet little boy who was always in the role of the guard, holding and waving a green cloth. He was always in a small half pant. There was a lot of rubble lying around, but the children would safely navigate their way around. The child playing the engine took turns, but the child playing the guard remained the same. This aroused my curiosity. I went up to that child and asked, "Son, don't you ever feel like becoming an engine?" Without a blink, the child replied with the utmost simplicity, "No." I asked why. His humble reply, "If I became the engine, the other boys would have to hold on to my shirt and run behind it as the bogies, but I don't have a shirt." The child was full of innocence. I was speechless, but the boy once again joined the game. They went chugging along. I don't have a shirt. This one statement, expressed without any remorse, made me shed all my dissatisfaction. The child continued enjoying the game with other children. Instead of demanding a shirt from his parents, the child opted to enjoy the game. What a lesson the child taught. Your position in life, your material possessions are of least importance. Your moving on in life is more important. In life, we don't always get all that we want, but let us live life with joy and satisfaction with whatever destiny that God has given us. This is the real art of living. As you embark on your journey, remember that the lifetime of work must never come at the cost of your well-being or personal life. The relentless hustle may feel productive in the short term, but it often leads to exhaustion and dissatisfaction. Take time to rest, connect with the beloved ones, celebrate life's moments, and nurture yourself. For if you don't, your body and mind will demand it on their terms. Balance is the key. Find joy in the present while pursuing your goals. To the parents and the families present here today, your support and the sacrifices which you have made, this has been the foundation of this achievement. This is as much your celebration as it is your children's. Congratulations to the 2025 class of NLU Jodhpur. The future is not something that happens to you. It is something that you will actively create. And from what I see today, the future looks incredibly promising. Wishing you success, fulfillment, and wisdom to make choices you will always be proud of. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Honorable Chief Guest, sir, I have the honor to request you, sir, to deliver your special address.
आज के इस राष्ट्रीय विधि विश्वविद्यालय जोधपुर के 17वां दीक्षांत समारोह के अवसर पर माननीय न्यायाधीश सर्वोच्च न्यायालय न्यायमूर्ति श्री संदीप मेहता जी, माननीय न्यायाधीश राजस्थान उच्च न्यायालय एवं कुलाधिपति राष्ट्रीय विधि विश्वविद्यालय जोधपुर न्यायमूर्ति श्री एम श्रीवास्तव जी, माननीय मंत्री संसदीय कार्य विभाग, कानून और कानून मामले विभाग श्री जोगाराम पटेल जी, माननीय न्यायाधीश राजस्थान उच्च न्यायालय जोधपुर न्यायमूर्ति डॉक्टर पुष्पेंद्र सिंह जी भाटी साहब, माननीय न्यायाधीश राजस्थान उच्च न्यायालय जोधपुर न्यायमूर्ति श्री दिनेश मेहता जी, कुलपति नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी जोधपुर डॉक्टर हरप्रीत कौर जी, रजिस्ट्रार नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी जोधपुर डॉक्टर सुनीता पंकज जी और इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित माननीय न्यायाधिपतिगण राजस्थान उच्च न्यायालय एवं सभी जनप्रतिनिधिगण, सभी हमारे अधिवक्तागण और इस कार्यक्रम में आए सभी मेरे भाई और बहनों, सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सभी का अभिनंदन करता हूं, वंदन करता हूं, क्योंकि ये कार्यक्रम एक ही बहुत ही अच्छा कार्यक्रम और इस कार्यक्रम की याददाश्त जीवन भर सजोने वाली होती है, क्योंकि जिन विद्यार्थियों को सम्मानित किया गया और जिन विद्यार्थियों ने इस विश्वविद्यालय के अंदर अपना समय जिस दक्षता के साथ निकाला है वो जीवन में हर पल याद आएगा। मैं राष्ट्रीय विधि विश्वविद्यालय जोधपुर के 17वें दीक्षांत समारोह में मुझे आमंत्रित करने के लिए मैं कुलपति महोदय और विश्वविद्यालय प्रशासन का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। आज उपाधि प्राप्त करने वाले सभी होनहार विद्यार्थियों और उनके अभिभावकों को भी बधाई देता हूं और विद्यार्थियों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना भी करता हूं। आज का ये दिन आप सभी विद्यार्थियों के लिए एक यादगार क्षण है। ये एक ऐसा खुशनुमा पल है जो हमेशा आपको याद रहेगा। आपने इस विद्यालय से जो ज्ञान और कौशल हासिल किया है वो आपको आगे बढ़ने में तो मदद करेगा ही, साथ ही विधि क्षेत्र में भी सकारात्मक बदलाव का वाहक भी बनेगा। आपने जिस राष्ट्रीय विधि विश्वविद्यालय जोधपुर से उपाधि हासिल की है वह देश में एक खास मुकाम रखता है। यहां से पढ़ने वाले अनेक विद्यार्थियों ने कानून के क्षेत्र में देश और विदेश में खास पहचान बनाई है। यहां से शिक्षित विद्यार्थी देश विदेश की प्रमुख विधि फर्मों से जुड़े हैं, अदालतों में प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और अकादमिक क्षेत्र में भी विश्वविद्यालय का नाम ऊंचा कर रहे हैं। कई विद्यार्थी हार्वर्ड, येल, ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, लंदन स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स और किंग्स कॉलेज जैसे नामी स्थानों से छात्रवृत्ति प्राप्त कर आगे की पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हैं। यह हमारे भारतीय कानून की शिक्षा तो दी ही जाती है, साथ ही विद्यार्थियों को वैश्विक नजरिए से तैयार किया जाता है ताकि वे दुनिया भर में हर तरह की कानूनी चुनौतियों का सामना कर सके। या विद्यार्थियों को संविधान, व्यापार कानून, निवेश कानून, आपराधिक कानून और बौद्धिक संपदा अधिकार जैसे क्षेत्रों में गहन अध्ययन का मौका मिलता है। इस विश्वविद्यालय में पढ़ने वाले नामी वकील तो बनते ही बनते हैं, साथ ही अकादमिक क्षेत्र में भी ऊंचा मकाम हासिल करने के काबिल होते हैं। ऐसे विश्वविद्यालय से उपाधि प्राप्त करना आप लोगों के लिए गौरव की बात है। आप सभी विद्यार्थी देश और प्रदेश का उज्जवल भविष्य है। मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहूंगा कि आप इस डिग्री को अपनी एक उपलब्धि के साथ ही एक महती जिम्मेदारी भी माने, क्योंकि कोई भी काम करने से पहले हमें उसकी जिम्मेदारी समझना आवश्यक होता है। अगर हमने उसकी जिम्मेदारी समझ ली तो निश्चित रूप से हम उस रास्ते पर चलेंगे जिस रास्ते को इस देश को और देश की जनता को आपसे आशा और उम्मीद है। जब आप ये पेशेवर जीवन में कदम रखेंगे तो आपको कदम कदम पर याद रखना होगा कि आपने अपने देश और समाज के लिए कुछ अच्छा करने की शिक्षा ली है। आपको समाज में न्याय की रक्षा और न्याय के प्रसार के लिए काम करना है। इसके लिए केवल कानून की शिक्षा ही काम नहीं आएगी, आपको जीवन के सूत्र सीखने होंगे। आपको एक गहरी समझ, संवेदनशीलता और सामाजिक दृष्टिकोण अपनाने की भी आवश्यकता है। हम मानते हैं कि कानून की डिग्री लेकर के हम उसको पालना करते हैं, लेकिन जब तक हमारी संवेदनाएं व्यक्ति के प्रति, समाज के प्रति हमारी संवेदनाएं नहीं होंगी तो हम ठीक प्रकार से हमारे उस काम को नहीं कर पाएंगे। एक अच्छा वकील वह है जो कानून का ज्ञाता होने के साथ ही समाज के कमजोर वर्ग की आवाज बनता है। और हमें कमजोर वर्ग की आवाज बनने के लिए यह आवश्यकता है कि हम समाज के उस भाव को पहचानें, समाज की उस संवेदनशीलता को हम पहचानें। वकील का पेशा गरीब और वंचित वर्ग की सेवा के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अवसर लेकर आता है। मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि आपको जब भी मौका मिलेगा गरीब और वंचित वर्ग को न्याय दिलाने में हमेशा आगे रहेंगे। आप उस पेशे से जुड़े हैं जिसने अनेक महान राष्ट्र निर्माता दिए हैं। हमारे संविधान के निर्माण में भी वकीलों की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रही है। हमारे संविधान के मुख्य शिल्पी बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर भी वकील थे। उनके द्वारा दिए गए भारत के संविधान के लिए हमारा राष्ट्र उनका ऋणी है। मुझे भरोसा है आप अपनी शिक्षा और कौशल से समाज में सकारात्मक बदलाव लाने का काम करेंगे। आप तो भारत की महान न्याय परंपरा के वाहक हैं। जिस भी राष्ट्रीय या अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर जाएं, वहां अपने ज्ञान के साथ अपने मूल्यों, अपनी ईमानदारी और अपनी मेहनत से अपनी पहचान बनाएं, ये बहुत आवश्यक है। हमारी न्याय व्यवस्था हजारों वर्ष पहले भी दुनिया में अपनी एक विशिष्ट पहचान रखती थी। हमारी न्याय व्यवस्था का मूल में यह था कि किसी भी पीड़ित के साथ अन्याय ना हो और हम सभी को न्याय मिले। आज हमारे यहाँ न्याय का शासन सुनिश्चित करने के लिए दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लिखित संविधान है। समय समय पर नए कानून बन रहे हैं और जरूरत के मुताबिक संशोधन भी हो रहे हैं। हाल में हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में केंद्र सरकार के प्रयासों से 3 नए आपराधिक कानून लागू हुए हैं। 1 जुलाई 2024 से भारतीय न्याय संहिता, भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता और भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम के रूप में 3 नए प्रभावशाली कानून लागू किए गए हैं। इन तीनों आपराधिक कानूनों के माध्यम से आपराधिक न्याय प्रणाली को और अधिक पारदर्शी, त्वरित और प्रभावी बनाकर पीड़ितों को शीघ्र न्याय दिलाने की व्यवस्था की गई है। प्रदेश में हमारी सरकार ने भी इन नई विधियों को लागू करने के लिए बड़े पैमाने पर कदम उठाए हैं और कानूनों का समुचित कार्यान्वित सुनिश्चित किया है। हमारी सरकार देश में गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा के लिए भी प्रतिबद्धता से काम कर रही है। हमें शिक्षा और अवसरों के बीच एक ऐसा सेतु बना रहे हैं जो समावेशी और सर्वांगीण विकास की दिशा में नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाए। हम सरकार के 5 साल के कार्यकाल में 10 लाख रोजगार के अवसर उपलब्ध कराने के संकल्प पर लगातार आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। अभी हमने जो बजट पेश किया है उसमें भी युवाओं के लिए रोजगार सृजन पर हमारा जोर रहा है। आगामी वर्ष में हम 1,25,000 सरकारी और 1,50,000 निजी क्षेत्र में रोजगार के उपलब्ध कराएंगे। युवाओं को प्रशिक्षण, इंटर्नशिप, रोजगार की योजनाओं के माध्यम से समुचित अवसर प्रदान करने के लिए राजस्थान रोजगार नीति 2025 ला रहे हैं। मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि आज प्रदेश में युवाओं की उम्मीदों को पूरा करने वाला माहौल तैयार हुआ है। आज राजस्थान में पारदर्शिता से भर्तियां हो रही हैं और प्रदेश का परिश्रमी योग्य युवा तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है। आखिर में मैं आपसे कहना चाहूंगा कि हम जिस उद्देश्य के लिए, जिस कार्य के लिए हमने शिक्षा ली है, हमारी योग्यता, हमने डिग्री ली है, हम सभी को इस बारे में सोचना होगा कि हमारा काम निर्धारित होता है और निर्धारित इसलिए होता है कि समाज को और राष्ट्र को और हमारे प्रदेश को आपसे उम्मीद है। और उम्मीद ये होती है कि हमारा युवा पढ़ा लिखा होगा। युवा अगर हमारा उन्नति के शिखर पर जाएगा तो निश्चित रूप से हमारा प्रदेश भी आगे बढ़ेगा, हमारा देश भी आगे बढ़ेगा। आखिर में मैं सभी प्रतिभाशाली विद्यार्थियों से यही कहना चाहूंगा कि आप केवल अपनी व्यक्तिगत लक्ष्यों तक सीमित ना रहें, अपने समाज के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारी को समझें और अपने ज्ञान का इस्तेमाल एक बेहतर, समृद्ध और सशक्त देश और प्रदेश बनाने में करें। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप सभी अपने मिशन में सफलता प्राप्त करेंगे और अपने देश और प्रदेश का नाम रोशन करेंगे। मैं इस अवसर पर एक बार फिर से आप सभी के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं, आपको शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और हमारी जो ये यूनिवर्सिटी है, राजस्थान विधि विश्वविद्यालय, इसका जो नाम है पूरे देश के अंदर है। निश्चित रूप से जो इसमें प्रतिभागी निकलते हैं, आगे हमारे देश और प्रदेश का गौरव है, वो हमारा नाम बढ़ाते हैं। उन्हें आप सभी को मैं बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। इतना जरूर मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि बजट में भी हमने विधि विभाग और न्यायालयों से संबंधित हमने कार्य किए हैं। नवीन न्यायालयों की स्थापना हमने 8 नए जिला एवं सेशन न्यायालय के लिए घोषणा की है, 4 नए अतिरिक्त जिला एवं सेशन न्यायालय के लिए कहा है, 8 वरिष्ठ सिविल न्यायाधीश एवं अतिरिक्त मुख्य न्यायिक मजिस्ट्रेट के लिए भी कहा है, 8 पोक्सो विशेष न्यायालय, 3 भ्रष्टाचार निवारण अधिनियम विशेष न्यायालय के लिए भी हमने घोषणा की है। न्यायिक कार्यालय भवन एवं आवास हेतु 350 करोड़ तथा नवीन न्याय संहिताओं की अपेक्षाओं को दृष्टिगत कंप्यूटर कैमरे सहित विभिन्न सुविधा हेतु 100 करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान हमने किया है। सरदार पटेल के 150वीं जयंती वर्ष में उनके प्रेरणा लेते हुए अपराधों की रोकथाम हेतु सरदार पटेल सेंटर फॉर साइबर कंट्रोल एंड बार रूम की स्थापना के लिए भी हमने 350 करोड़ रुपए की घोषणा की है। हम चाहते हैं कि न्याय प्रणाली के बीच में कोई ऐसा काम नहीं हो कि जिससे ऐसा लगे कि हमारे को सुविधा ठीक प्रकार से नहीं मिल पा रही है। मैं विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं कि हमारी सरकार पूर्ण रूप से त्वरित न्याय मिले, सबके न्याय के साथ सभी के अच्छे काम हो, इसके लिए हमारी सरकार कृत संकल्प है। और मैं कहना चाहता हूं, हमारी सरकार निश्चित रूप से हर क्षेत्र में न्याय प्रणाली के लिए जो आवश्यकता है उन आवश्यकताओं को पूरी करेगी, यही मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं। आप सभी लोगों ने मेरे को बुलाया इस कार्यक्रम के लिए, निश्चित रूप से पुनः आप सभी को धन्यवाद। हमारे सभी विद्यार्थियों को पुनः बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय राजस्थान।
Honorable dignitaries on the dais are requested to kindly release the university publications that are the culmination of all the hard work and dedication of the university fraternity towards creation of new knowledge. Honorable dignitaries, you have before you the special edition of NLU J Law Review, prepared after extensive deliberations between 22 Vice Chancellors of law schools on 18-19 January 2025. The journal is a distillation of the scholarship of the best legal minds in the country today and shall be a forerunner in portending sweeping advancement in the sphere of legal education. I ask the entire audience to give a resounding applause for the hard work put in by the NLUJ Law Review team. A resounding applause for the hard work put in by the team for the work which has gone into the special edition of NLUJ Law Review. Next in line is release of volume 15.2 of Trade Law and Development Journal, the university's specialized journal in the sphere of international trade law. The aim of this journal is to provide a forum for the exchange of ideas and constructive debates on legal and policy issues surrounding world trade, cross-border investment and development, and other interrelated aspects of international law. The next journal to be released is volume 7, issue 2 of the Journal of Governance, which offers a forum for critical research on the interplay of contemporary issues in corporate law, both from an academic and industry perspective, along with exploring the various problems and challenges that affect the corporate world. The journal attempts to explore and offer workable solutions, helpful regulatory and policy decisions. Next is IJAL, International Indian Journal of Arbitration Law, and widely recognized as the leading Indian dispute resolution journal, volume number 13, issue 1. IJAL is indexed in numerous online legal databases, including Kluwer Arbitration, Westlaw, and Hein Online, and looks at the existing trends as well as new ideas in the realm of arbitration. The last notable contribution of the university is an analytical report on Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023, prepared by the Center for Criminal Law and Forensic Justice, headed by Dr. Ranjit Thomas, an expert insight into the Nyaya Samhitas, and submitted to the Ministry of Law and Justice. Thank you, honorable dignitaries, for placing before the world the notable academic and research work done by the university. Honorable Chief Guest, the university takes immense pleasure in inviting you to inaugurate the new e-moot courts constructed at the university, which consists of state-of-the-art facilities for online mooting, latest technology, completely Wi-Fi enabled with judges' retiring rooms, separate entry, which is going to give a tremendous push to the mooting scenario in the university. Thank you, Honorable Chief Guest. I now request all our learned council members to kindly ascend the stage for the batch-wise group photographs. All graduating students are requested to kindly pay attention to the order for the group photographs. All the gold medal awardees, so council members may please ascend the stage for the group photographs. All the gold medal awardees may kindly step forward first. All the gold medal awardees may kindly range themselves at the bottom of the steps. The council members may please ascend the stage. Mother. The gold medal awardees may kindly range themselves expeditiously at the bottom of the steps for the group photograph of the dignitaries, the council members, and the gold medal awardees. This is a wonderful photo opportunity, and students are requested to kindly arrange themselves expeditiously for the same. The undergraduate batch students may kindly get up and arrange themselves for in row for the group photo op. The undergrad batch students may all get up and prepare for the gold medal. So the gold medal photo is getting over. The undergrad batch is requested to kindly come forward for the group photograph as expeditiously as possible. The undergrad batch students, please move forward expeditiously for the photo op with the dais as soon as possible. The undergrad batch students, those who are willing to may kneel, it is their choice, but we'd like everyone to be a part of the Students may please step forward quickly. The undergrad batch, once in a lifetime photo opportunity for them with honorable dais members, a source of inspiration for the future. Requesting all to kindly arrange themselves quickly. The undergraduate batch with Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Guest of Honor, Justice Mehta, Honorable Guest of Honor, Jogaramji, Honorable Chancellor Sir, and all the Academic Council, General Council and Executive Council members of the university. This should be a picture for the future generation, so everyone should give us broad smile. The LLM and MBA insurance batches may now please rise and come forward. Thank you to the undergraduate class. Kindly revert to your seats, please. Please walk in single file so that the postgraduate batches can come forward. The LLM and MBA insurance batches may please step forward. The LLM and MBA batch students, please make sure that you spread yourselves out so that everybody is visible for the photograph. LLM and MBA, kindly move forward at a rapid pace, please. The doctoral degree holders are now requested to step forward. The LLM and MBA batches are requested to step back to their and revert to their original seating. The PhD degree holders are requested to come near the stage for a photo opportunity with the Honorable Dais. The NLUJ Law Review Board members are requested to step forward for the group photo. We wish to place on record the utmost dedication which has been put in by the entire editorial board team in helping the special edition of the journal see daylight. The NLUJ Law Review Board members are requested to step forward for the photo opportunity with Honorable Dais. All the council members are requested to return to their seats. Honorable dignitaries, may please revert to their seats. The administration, faculty and staff of National Law University, Jodhpur wish to honor our esteemed guests by giving a small token of our appreciation, a small memento of remembrance on this memorable occasion. I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Harpreet Kaur to kindly convey through the memento our warmest regards to Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhajan Lalji Sharma ji for his benign presence amongst our midst today. Thank you, sir. On behalf of the university, we wish to convey our warmest felicitations to Honorable Mr. Justice Sandeep Mehta ji for his presence here and for delivering an inspiring convocation address. Our Chancellor, Honorable Mr. Justice M.M. Srivastava, Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court, has through his savant guidance always smoothened the university's path. And for that, we wish to present a memento conveying our best wishes. We profusely thank Honorable Shri Jogaram Patel ji, Minister of Law and Legal Affairs, Government of Rajasthan, for his venerable presence in our midst today. Thank you, sir. May I now request our honorable guests and the august gathering assembled here to kindly rise for the national anthem. Kindly clear the way for the convocation procession to pass through. All photographers and cameramen are requested to take note. The august gathering is now requested to give a resounding applause to the ceremonial procession as they leave the auditorium. Request for a standing applause for honorable dignitaries who've taken time out and been here with us today. All the guests are requested to join us for high tea in the football field. Kindly seek direction from our volunteers. All the graduating students and their parents are requested to join us for high tea. May please proceed to the football field for the same. Any assistance can be sought from the help desk or the volunteers.